Hi everyone! Today's lesson is all about solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. Quarter 1, Module 2. In the lesson, you should be able to solve quadratic equations by extracting square roots. What are these numbers? 1, 25, 100, 4, 49, 81. These numbers are perfect numbers. Magagamit natin ito mamaya pag nag-solve tayo ng equation. Ito ang list ng mga perfect numbers. Solve the following. Number 1, we have x squared minus 36 equals 0. Number 2, a squared equals 0. Number 3, x squared plus 25 equals 0. Number 4, 2x squared minus 32 equals 0. Number 5, the quantity of x minus 4 squared minus 49 equals 0. Bago natin isolve yung given, tingnan natin muna ito. Quadratic equations that can be written in the form x squared equals k can be solved by applying the following properties. First, if k is greater than 0, then x squared equals k has two real solutions or roots. X equals positive negative square root of k. If k equals 0, then x squared equals k has one real solution or root. X equals 0. Third, if k is less than 0, then x squared equals k has no real solutions or roots. The method of solving the quadratic equation x squared equals k is called extracting square roots. How to extract square root? For instance, meron tayong equation na x squared minus 3x equals 0. Ang first step sa pag-extract ng square root, kailangan i-separate natin ang variables at ang constant. In this case, since magkasama sila sa side na to, etong 36 ililipat natin sa kabila. Ilipat natin sa side na to. So, since the sign is negative, this time magiging positive yung 36. Next, extract square root of both sides. Magiging siyang square root of x squared equals positive negative square root of 36. Ang square root ng x squared ay x. Square root of 36, we will have positive negative 6. Para malaman natin kung tama, i-check natin ang value ng x sa original equation. Since dito makikita nyo we have positive at saka negative, ibig sabihin merong dalawang value. Positive 6 and the negative 6. Unahin natin gamitin ang 6. I-try natin kung tama siya. Pag Pag tama siya dito, ibig sabihin solution. Ano? Okay, let's have x squared minus 36 equals 0. Ang gagawin sa pag-check, substitute the value of x sa x. Instead na x ang gagamitin natin ay 6. 6 squared minus 36 equals 0. Ang ibig sabihin kapag 6 squared ay 6 times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Tapos, ikakopy lang natin yung negative 36. This time, 36 minus 36 equals 0. As you can see, 0 is equal to 0. Meaning, yung 6 ay solution ng equation na to. How about negative 66? Okay, let us try. X squared minus 36 equals 0. Yung x, gagawin nating negative 6. Negative 6 squared minus 36 equals 0. Negative 6 times negative 6, we will have 36. Again, 36 minus 36 equals 0. 0 equals 0. So, tama naman siya. Therefore, the equation x squared minus 36 equals 0 has two solutions. X equals 6 or x equals negative 6. Kung babalikan natin yung definition kanina, this one is the, tawag dito, ito yung tinatawag natin na K. Ito, 36. This is the K. Mas malaki siya sa 0. Kaya meron tayong dalawang solution. So, yun po yung sinasabi na properties kanina. What about if the given is a squared equals 0? This time, yung variables, wala na siyang kasamang constant. Pwede nang i-extract ang root. We have square root of a squared equals 0. Ano ang square root ng a squared? We have a equals 0. Let us check if it is correct. A equals 0. So, we will use the original equation. A squared equals 0. Papalitan natin yung A ng 0. We will have 0 squared equals 0. 0 equals 0. This time, it's equal. Therefore, the equation a squared equals 0 has one solution. A equals 0. Kanina sabi, if K is equal to 0, ang set ay mayroong isang solution. Next, what about if we have this equation? X squared plus 25 equals 0. Ngayon, magkasama siya. Ang gagawin ulit, ihihiwalay ang may variable sa constant. So, ang mangyayari, x squared equals. Dito, positive siya. Pag dinala natin sa kabila, magiging negative 25. Extract the roots. We will have square root of x squared equals square root of negative 25. The square root of x squared is x equals the square root of negative 25. So, ang mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo ng imaginary roots. Since negative 25 is less than 0, then the equation s squared equals negative 25 has no real solution or roots. There is no real number when squared gives negative 25. Again, the equation x squared plus 25 equals 0 has no real roots or solution. Di ba kanina sa properties, sabi natin, if k is less than 0, then the equation has no solution or roots. How to extract square root if the given is like this. 2x squared minus 32 equals 0. So again, ihihiwalay ang may variable sa constant. We will have 2x squared equals 32. Bakit naging 32? Negative siya dito. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, since meron tayo ditong numerical coefficient na 2, kailangan tanggalin natin yan. Since pwede naman sila pareho or divisible naman ng 2 pareho, di ba para mawala ito, kailangan natin i-divide both side ng 2. We will have now 2x squared 2x squared over 2 equals 32 over 2. I-divide natin, we will have 2x squared divided by 2, cancel. We will only have x squared equals 32 divided by 2. We have 16. Ngayon, extract na natin ang roots. We have square root of x squared equals square root of 16. The answer is x equals positive, negative 4. Meron ulit tayong dalawang solution. I-check natin. Let us first use x equals 4. Use the original equation. Ito yung original equation. 2x squared minus 32 equals 0. Papalitan ang x ng 4. Magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times the quantity of 4 squared minus 32 equals 0. Uunahin nating isolve ito. So, we will have 2 times 16. Saan galing ang 16? Sa 4 squared na ang ibig sabihin ay 4 times 4. Next, let us multiply this one. 2 times 16, 32. Minus 32 equals 0. Next, 32 minus 32. Okay, we have 0 equals 0. Since equal siya, etong 4 ay solution. Next, let us try if negative 4 is also a solution. Same lang ang gagawin. Isa-substitute ang negative 4 sa x. We will have now 2 times negative 4 squared minus 32 equals 0. So, negative 4 times negative 4 equals 16. 2 times 16 equals 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. As you can see, equal ulit. Therefore, the equation 2x squared minus 32 equals 0 has two solutions. X equals to 4 equal 4, then x is equal to negative 4. Another example, the quantity of x minus 4 squared minus 49 equals 0. Ito considered as one term. Ihihiwalay natin kasi may variable. Dapat nakahiwalay siya dito sa constant. We will have x minus 4 squared equals 49. Negative dito, magiging positive kapag inilipat sa kabila. Let us extract the roots. Magiging square root of the quantity of x minus 4 squared equals positive negative square root of 49. Magkakaroon tayo, ang square root nito ay x minus 4 equals positive negative 7. Tumigil tayo dito, pero hindi pa yan ang sagot. Kailangan natin isolve ang value ng x. X minus 4 equals 7 and x minus 4 equals negative 7. Kapag hiniwalay natin ito, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang equation. Isa-isahin natin. Solve for x. X minus 4 equals 7. X equals 7 plus 4. Saan galing ang positive 4? Mula dito sa negative 4. X equals 11. Next, solve for x. In this equation, x minus 4 equals negative 7. X equals negative 7 plus 4. We will have now x equals negative 3. Diba sa rule ng integers, negative plus positive, magsusubtract, then kukunin ang sign ng malaking number. Dito sa dalawa, ang malaki ay 7. Kaya, ang ginamit natin ay negative na sign. So, nandito yung sinolve natin kanina. Ang value ng x ay 11 and negative 3. Let us check if the given value of x are solutions. X equals 11. Gagamitin natin yung original equation. Ito. Ang gagawin, papalitan ng x ng 11. We will have now 11 minus 4 squared minus 49 equals 0. Ito muna ang isosolve. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4, we have now 7. 7 squared minus 49 equals 0. Ito, ang ibig sabihin ay 7 times 7. 7 times 7, we have 49. 49 minus 49 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Tama naman siya. Meaning, solution ang 11. Try natin ang negative 3. Gagamitin natin ulit sa original equation, papalitan ng x ng negative 3. We will have now the quantity of negative 3 minus 4 squared minus 49 equals 0. Pagsamahin natin ito. So we will have now negative 7 squared minus 49 equals 0. Negative 7 times negative 7, we have 49 minus 49 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Okay. Ngayon, equal ulit. Therefore, the equation quantity of x minus 4 squared minus 49 equals 0 has two solutions. We have 11 and negative 3. Okay, this time for activity. You're going to solve the given quadratic equation by extracting square roots. Provide an extra sheet for your solution. Another activity, solve the following quadratic equations by extracting square roots. Ito ang ating given. For the reference, DepEd Materials, Mathematics Learners Material in Grade 9. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day. That's it for today. See you soon.